Right, Ed is here, the most patient man I've ever known, because he ordered this custom amp from me a long time ago. This is what we're calling the RK50 or the R50, which is a 50-watt version of the old Cornford RK100. And he's picking it up today. It's a big day. We're going to do some sound samples to show it off to everyone. We've got it plugged into his very favourite Cornford Hellcat combo 2x12. It's got 2 vintage 30s in it.
Yeah, I own vintage 30s.
Yeah, okay. So we've got the amp on. We've got the gain quite high on it, all the way up at 8. Treble on 5, middle on 4, bass on 5. Master's about, well, it's about 1 there, isn't
Tickled.
it? Yeah, and then presence at noon as well. I don't know if you can see that. It's got the foot switchable boost, and the way we've configured it is the boost is always on, and you use the foot switch to defeat it. So we're going to have it on. We've got, what's the reverb, Ed?
It's essentially a TC Hall of Fame, but it's a special one they do at Pro Guitar Shop.
And we've got that into the loop, which is valve buffered. Very cool.
Indeed.
We need to talk about the guitar. This is a Sir.
Yeah, Sir Classic Antique. It's a few years old now. One of my favourite ones. Unusual because it's got a Fender bridge on it.
Oh, cool.
We've got 2 V63 standard pickups and a Formbucker Plus here. And the bad boy on the floor is a Fender Tono Caballo. That's got a Texas Special in the bridge and a Filtertron in the neck, and that's quite a nice guitar as well. But we'll probably get round to playing a little bit of that as well in a bit.
Yeah. So what we'll do is Ed's just going to do some playing. Gain's quite high on the amp, so you're going to hear some lead stuff. Reverb's on as well, as we mentioned, and then he's going to use the volume control on the guitar to clean it up. I'll come around here and get out of the way. But, whoops. Whenever you're ready, mate. Off
No
you go.
worries, man. No worries.
Now, what's really interesting about that is that it's got enough gain to do all that, you know, almost 80s hair metal lead line stuff. But when you did those open E chords at the end, the string separation's still there. It's not much.
Yeah, the clarity.
Yeah, that's incredible.
I mean, even with the gain up high, I mean, if I switch to the fingers. Silly gains.
Awesome. That's really, really cool sounding. So,
Apologies for the playing.
yeah, well, mate, honestly, I'm so pleased with the way it's turned out. It looks great. Obviously, it sounds great. Fun project to do. I remember when you first asked me about doing this, and I think it was me that convinced you we only needed 50 watts and not the 100.
It was.
Yeah.
It was.
Otherwise, it'd just be brutal.
Oh, yeah.
And the funny thing is, Ed's going to use this for home practice as well, which blows my mind.
Overkill.
There you go. Mate, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Such a cool project. If anyone who's watching is interested in any sort of custom amp, do get in touch. And you can be like Ed here and get yourself a cool piece of kit.